To check a fingerprint to know its name and if it's been added on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find security and privacy. Tap security and privacy. Under additional security settings section, tap biometric. Tap fingerprints. Enter your current secure screen lock. Since this phone is using pattern, then draw the pattern. Tap check add fingerprints and then place a finger you like to check on the fingerprint scanner. If the finger has not been added yet, you will be informed that there's no added fingerprint matched with the finger you are scanning. Well, if the finger has been added, you will be informed with the name that is assigned to the finger you are scanning. Tap the button to stop checking. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.